Fired up gang stuff.
Double
Good.
Jameson.
Yeah.
Double Jameson, double tequila.
Anything you want to add?
Oh yeah, the bathroom's right there.
Oh, hey, good boom. There's a bathroom right there. Any of y'all need to go to the bathroom?
Yeah, they got bathroom.
Before any of this starts? It's right there. All right, y'all, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today we're in the beautiful city of Corona, and what's happening is Hot Pit is throwing a little event get-together for their Drift Series premiere. Hot Pit, I believe, got a contract, so all of the competitions and everything that happens is going to be now shown on like racing TV, and is pretty much is going to be on TV, so now everybody all around can see what happens. And they're also in collaboration with Origins. So all the guys from over at Origins are going to be down here. So it's going to be the event, the premiere. And it's going to turn into like also a little car show. Check it out. Cars rolling in. So if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. And as always, let's see what they're talking about. Let's get it, y'all. You're gonna see a lot of familiar faces for this premiere. Straight from Texas to Arizona. Now she drove back over here. We got Chiquita, baby, without her mask on. Oh, that's her face. That's what she looks like. Yeah. Let me take you guys inside real quick just to walk around and just show you kind of what they have set up, what they have going on right now. Yeah. Oh, what's up with you, baby?
Good to see you.
Yeah, this is dope. It's dope. Yeah. So, place to get some nice snacks and treats, and pretty much this is like like a racing training center. Have you guys ever seen something like this? I didn't even know this place existed. This is dope. All the VR set up. Wow. You know, our great editor Andy is pulling up sometime. He hit me up, said he was around the corner, but he hasn't shown up yet. So let's go try to find Andy. I don't know where he's at, but whatever. Let's go check out some of the cars that have shown up so far in the parking lot.
And I'm just out. What's up, dude?
Chilling. All right, so Andy is here, and I know that because he's right there flying his drone. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. So another thing here, you're gonna see a lot of the drivers, a lot of the competitors, and I don't know. You know, I might even go inside and try to hop on the Sims and stuff like that. But with this event, it's like I said, it's the Drift Series premiere. It's gonna start getting televised, and it's an amazing turnout. So we even got people dancing. They're so happy. Ah, got you. We got get everything. Yeah, got you.
I dropped it. I fixed it.
We found him. No, I'm. Okay. Yeah, we're getting the car.
All right.
He's like, "What up? Hey, move, fool!" All right, we got Andy, and
Yo.
yeah, perfect timing because it looks like they're calling everybody to start going in right now. They're premiering the event to start, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's get inside. Huh?
What's another place I like?
Yeah.
Oh my god. So literally, I have not watched it yet. So
It's like a gamer place, right?
Right. So you have the little Sims and stuff like that.
They probably have like competitions here.
There's stuff right here. Andy, with the VR setup and all that.
Dude, this is so sick. What the? Can we do one? Can we do one?
Probably over here. I mean, they're on them right now.
Can I do one? I want to do one.
Only if you behave, okay? You'll be able to do one. This over here to your left.
What is this?
It looks like some virtual
Oh, it's
type.
like
and then
like
they
this type
strap
of-
you up.
Yeah,
So
you're doing like.
yeah, so you don't fall into the thing.
This is sick.
Yeah?
Yeah, no.
Andy's tripping out. Hey, I like the infinity floors.
So
This is dope, y'all. Hey, make sure you guys like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And leave in the comment section, you ever seen a place like this? You know, I've seen like, you know, little, like people when they rent out suites, computer areas, gamers, I don't know what they call it, but this is that, but on steroids. All this stuff looks expensive. All this, you know what I mean? Like, but that's what it is, man. Car stuff, game stuff. Hot Pit, the Drift Series premiere stuff. Stuff. Anything you want to add?
oh yeah, the bathroom's right there.
Oh, hey, dude, boom, there's a bathroom right there. Any of y'all need to go to the bathroom
Yeah, they got bathroom.
before any of this starts? It's right there, right there. We about to get ourselves some drinks. I hope it's not $87.
It's gonna be 20. It's gonna be $20 a drink.
I don't know, because maybe
100%.
maybe they charge extra for the drinks to be able to run this place. It's like games, $5, drinks, $10,000.
Yeah, double
Done.
Jameson,
Yeah.
double Jameson, double tequila.
Yeah, you get to pick your character. Oh, Yoshi's the man.
Why am I going back?
All right, so we hit the bar, dude. Hey, this is dope. The prices are all reasonable, and no, the shots didn't cost $80. I got 2 doubles of tequila. Andy got a double of tequila, all on the rocks. $26. $26. Hey, Andy, there goes Steph right there.
No fucking way.
He's happy because he gets to play a game, dude. He's like a child right now.
He's the guy that I met last time. Videos.
This was at LA Convention Center.
Yeah, he does
He
videos.
did my editor, yeah.
I remember. I forgot his name.
Andy. Yeah, I've been getting him out more, and he's
Oh, he come out more. That's.
it's like my child right here.
I know when I walked in, I was like, oh.
And he said, "Damn, first place." Yeah.
First place. That's me. Yoshi, bro.
Why does it say it says Koopa Troopa, not Yoshi?
Oh, I mean.
Yoshi's right here. You
Wait a
got
minute.
4th place, fool.
Damn it.
You got fucking. You're a loser,
Dude. Oh, because I don't know enough about Mario. I'm a loser.
Wait, you really don't know much about Mario? My heart.
He said, "I won, Yoshi." I'm like, "No, you lost, dude. You lost."
That's a silly statement. I don't know enough about Mario, so I'm a loser.
It's lit up, and it says Koopa Troopa.
Well, you pick by the face. You know, it didn't say the names.
Koopa Troopa's yellow. Yoshi's
the
green.
Okay. So yeah. Oh, so you're cool because you know more about Mario.
Yeah. Number one, here's this. Hey, to all you guys out there watching, I will say this right here, right now. Nobody can beat me in Mario Kart. Nobody can beat me in Street Fighter, and nobody can beat me in Connect 4.
Hold on. Nerd.
Nah, I ain't a nerd, homie. Mario Kart, Street Fighter, Connect 4, I ain't no nerd, homie. Hey, that's about the culture. That's the culture.
All right. Street Fighter's fine.
Hey, go to any hood, go to anywhere, but like, hey,
Yeah.
Street Fighter argument?
In the hood, they talk about Mario a lot. That's a thing.
Hey, y'all, watch this. I'm about to make a phone call right now. Right now.
No, you can't call Mr. Wilson. He knows everything about everything.
But I'm gonna let you know how serious it is. Yeah, we calling somebody right now.
Mario's serious in
I
the
hope
hood.
he answers.
Mario's serious in the hood. You're
Mario,
you gotta be.
Okay, he answers. I have a question to ask you. Hey, in the hood, is Mario Kart a serious thing?
I'm talking about the.
What is it? SMU?
Yeah.
Is it? Is it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes, it is serious.
Yeah.
Fighting right now?
Right, that's fine. Okay. I did not know, Mr. Wilson. I did not know.
Fuck around, Mario.
Yeah, all right. No, I got you.
Right there, homie.
I'll shut the fuck up.
Bring it up around me, dog.
Yeah.
Right now.
All right, man, I'll holler at you.
Fuck you.
All right.
All right, fine.
I'll rest my case, y'all. This is dope. This is dope. Exclusive.
That's one of the things that's so passionate about the sport of drifting. You can go out first lap, you can blow the motor up.
I feel like if you're chaotic in there, you're already behind the wheel, right? Like style, angle, lines.
Yes, definitely. Be close without hitting, although everyone loves a little hitting.
Every battle is hard.
When you're new to the sport, you're just seeing which guy had the most smoke and were they close together.
All right, so still down here, gonna wrap it up. Everybody's gonna have some drinks, socialize. Everybody's kind of just kicking it, just mingling, you know. But hey man, if you guys like the episode, like I said, this place is dope, dude. Like, it looks expensive. It looks expensive. It is expensive. But if you guys liked what you saw, hey, please like and subscribe. Any and every comment you guys leave, I'll always respond back, good or bad, funny, whatever. But yeah, hey, Hot Pit is not only coming to a TV, but a channel near you. It's gonna be on TV everywhere. You're gonna see your boy, not driving, but you know, you'll probably see my big ass running around messing with people. The significance of it is, it started out as you can compete in Hot Pit as an amateur, and when you start getting points and get the podium, this is all to get your professional FD, Formula Drift card. You know what I mean? So you can do big boy stuff, sponsors, all that stuff. But it has to come from somewhere, and that's what Hot Pit offers you. And now Hot Pit in itself is blowing up to where it's becoming its own thing. Still the bridge to FD, to Formula Drift, but it's amazing, man. And seeing all the drivers, seeing all the people behind the scenes that put this together, seeing all the work that has to go on that we don't normally see for them to produce a good product. It's amazing. And it's cool because I'm seeing a lot of people that I haven't seen in a while from a lot of shows, past places and all that. It's dope. And it's very exclusive. And I'm glad to have been a part of it. Andy took off. You know, he disappeared into white air, as always. Anyway, if you haven't done so yet, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, and stay blessed. Be good to yourself. Be good to other people. And as always, get those cars built. All right, y'all. Till next time. Peace.